Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abel. Happy birthday to you.
Go it over. Go it over. Come on. Go. Yay!
Oh, yay.
Get crazy. Come on. Get crazy.
Oh, no.
There we go. There we go. What do I do? He's coming. Oh, he's coming.
Oh, yeah.
It's out.
So what happened?
It's all out. What do you got? What do you got?
I don't want this.
Okay.
No candle. No, looky. Oh, yeah, go back in the cake. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, turn him. Stop talking. Don't talk. Look at the cake. Look. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get the cake. Get it. Get cake. Get cake. Look.
He said, I want to try this.
I don't think he likes the texture.
Come on. Come on.
I need to get his.
He said, I can do this. I'm about to sit you in the whole thing, kid.
Yeah, I just need to get like his. Hi, Papa.
He's scared of it. Put your feet in it. Yeah, go ahead. Whatever you want to do. There you go. There you go.
No.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
There you go. Maybe he doesn't like cake.
Yay! He likes the fire more than the cake.
There you go. Yeah. Yay. Oh. No.
Oh.
No. There you go. It's away. It's away. Come on. What do you think? Look. Look.
Damn, attack that thing. Get it on his stomach. On his face. He said, what are you doing? Attack my cake.
What is going on here? Oh my God.
He said, what are you doing?
Huh? Is it good? Is it yummy?
Yay! Oh, get a picture of that. That is awesome.
Yay!
Get your face in it. Get your face in it. Go. Oh my God, Tim.
Do it. So I can get a picture.
Oh my God! Belly time! Oh my God!
Do it.
Turn him around so you can see it. Oh, we can't see. We gotta face him the other way. Here, move the cake over here. Oh. Let's move the cake so you can sit behind him. And Dad can see. Put him there. Look at that miracle.
Oh, he's gonna get cake. Oh, God.
Oh.
It's the candy!
It's the sugar rush.
Here you go. Here you come.
Yay!
What do you think?
You will not touch the laptop like that. No.
Wait, go. ¿Me puedes ayudar de este lado? He said, I don't want any.
You want to touch Brittany?
He said, I want to grab her hand. That'd be great.
Oh,
Yummy. Say yummy. Yummy. Oh.
Maybe he's not hungry.
He said, that's sweeter than my cake. Oh, he likes it now. He likes it now.
Oh, God. Get sprayed.
Oh, he does like it now.
He just crawled all over the cake. Nice.
you pull. Go. I see you.
Brittany.
Okay, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's he look like? Who's that? Who's that? Put his feet in the cage. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Oh! He looks so mad. No, no.
Throw yourself on the cage. Who's that? Who's that?
Hi.
Who's that? He said, I am your cake god. Me.
Dude, I don't think I can multitask videoing.
He wants to go to his papa. I think he might do that. What was that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a good boy. Put his little foot in it. His feet are already on it. Okay. Yep, you don't look happy. You look blue, like a Smurf. You like Papa Smurf?
You think this is enough recording?
Yeah.
Okay.